gorgeous fam, welcome back again to my channel. It is a baby girl here from Breezy, and you're highly welcome to this channel. In case this is your first time on this channel, please kindly hit that red button that says subscribe and be part of this family. Okay, so guys, today I went to post office to pick some of my things that arrived there. Yeah, I told you guys that I ordered a swimming clothes that have not arrived. So the swimming dress has finally arrived today. Yeah, it's a top and small knicker, small shorts. So they have finally arrived today. I'm sorry if you are going to be hearing any noise here, because the place I am sitting right now is very close to the road. You can see the cars are passing and all those kind of things, and there is a lot of breeze here. But I'm just going to make this video. If it's not good enough, maybe I can make another intro, but if it's good enough, why not we use this? Okay. Welcome back again to this channel. If this is your first time here, please kindly hit that red button that says subscribe. My name is Breezy, as earlier said on the intro. So guys, I went to post office to collect my things that arrived, and before you collect things in the post office right now, you need to stay in the queue, of which I'm noticing something in my body recently. If I stand too much these days, I'll be feeling waist pain. I don't know why. At this my age, I'm not supposed to be feeling that kind of pain. Like, I'm too young for that, but I noticed it recently. So I even went to the hospital to compare about it, although I have an appointment with the gynecologist tomorrow to check what is wrong, to do some checkup, of course. So I have an appointment tomorrow anyway. So guys, right now I want to walk around a little bit before I'll go home. I'm going somewhere as well, so I want to be taking you guys along. This is going to be a day in the life of a Nigerian immigrant in Spain. Yeah, I'm an immigrant, so if you don't know me, okay, is it because I don't always say it? Is it because I don't always say it on my video? I'm an immigrant here in Spain, of course.
In case you never know, make it know now.
So guys, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. I'm going to be showing you guys some of the environments here in Palma de Mallorca. Although I've made many videos of that before, but there are still many beautiful places you guys have not seen on this Palma de Mallorca. This our small island. There are a lot of beautiful places that I'm supposed to visit to show you guys, but I don't know if I should say I don't know many places in this Palma de Mallorca. I'm going to just talk truth, because I don't go out. I don't go out enough to know a lot of places. Okay guys, the breeze is carrying my hair. I need to leave here right now, so let's go.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you,
and I go home. You said things could only get better. I needed more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is see-through? Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it when everything is see-through? You see through. Gotta make space for the new you, like I'm old news in your rearview mirror. It must be nice you went and got a penthouse on you.
Many hours later.
Oh boy. Yeah. It's not every year, just in the place.
No, not come out. You join me do video.
You know the record that?
You don't know.
No, police still. Let me get up from here, my friend.
That's value where.
See, no.
You go nowhere.
This one I want chance.
You go nowhere. How just they do video? You just consider for my front.
You said you never. Holly, leave me alone. Let me go.
You are going nowhere. What is that? What? What is that one put in his nose?
Now wait till they move for solitaire.
Poor well, let him show. Oh, what do you put in your nose?
He can laugh.
These people will not allow me to make my video in peace. So all of us must stay here and do the video.
Hello, beautiful people. We don't.
People, this husband of mine and Owen, they will not allow me to make video in peace. Imagine me, I'm arranging my camera, setting my camera to tell you guys I'm back. Let me remove it for your nose. It's painful. Why do you put it in your nose? See your mouth. Imagine I'm arranging my camera, setting it. I'm setting my camera to tell you guys I'm back from where I went to. My husband just came to my front. Bam! This thing fine though. I can't imagine myself. Since morning I haven't eaten. I think it's almost 6 p.m. now. Since morning I haven't eaten, guys, and I'm not feeling hungry. Are you sure I'm going to feel hungry throughout today? I just came back now and I drank water. I haven't eaten since and I'm not feeling hungry. This is surprising. I bought oil. I want to cook soup. I think I'm going to be making ogbono soup. I don't know yet. If I have the chance, I'm going to make the both, like ogbono and egusi soup. That's the both soup that I'm craving for right now. So I'm going to be preparing those both soup if I have the chance, if I have the strength to do that. Like I said, I have not eaten since morning. Although I'm not hungry, though I'm still full of energy. I'm not hungry. If I'm hungry, I know what to do. I know where to go. So guys, right now I don't know if I'm going to be vlogging when I'm cooking because I don't know yet. I just want to do things very fast so that I'll be done very fast. You know right? So guys, let me quickly do unboxing with you guys. Here is what I got. I told you guys I went to the post office. Okay, here's always with the bottle. Take. He gave me to show it in the camera. So here is what I got from the post office. Let me quickly do little unboxing with you guys, because I told you guys earlier I went to the post office. Yeah, here is my swimming clothes that I said I ordered. Here is it. Here is the breast tube. This is the front. It looks nice though. Here is the two items, the two swimming suits I got. So I got this earring as well. I ordered it online. Like the earring I've been running for girls and I love it. So I just got this. I don't want it too wide, so I got this size of the earring. So when this is not for you. Oh, I have a ring on. I didn't know. So let me just wear it. Yeah, this is the earring. I'll see you guys later.
The next day.
So guys, I've finally finished cooking. Here is my ogbono soup. I prepared ogbono soup. Yeah, finally. The food that we wanted to cook since yesterday. Finally ready. I want to go and eat pounded yam. Come and join me, guys. Pounded yam. Thank you all so much for watching this vlog, because I'm going to be ending this vlog here right now. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please, if you have not given this video a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay, and I'll see you all in my next video. For now, I'll be saying bye bye.